Hello, this is Dr. Shiitake. It's been 109 days from the inoculation. Today I'll check Miji-kun before putting into bag. Recently, it is hard to take care of shiitake log because of rainy season. I don't know why, but it's been sunny and cool days recently. So we usually make wrong choice that we should wear long or short sleeves. Shiitake logs are in the same situation. Yesterday was so hot, but today is rainy and cool, so it is not sure if we should water logs or not. In case of miru shiitake, it doesn't matter because it grows in a room. It is okay unless it is in extreme conditions. Okay, looks not bad. Holes are good. And this one has got dent a bit. The other's okay. And bottom is like still growing. Has a little mold. I'm going to kill him with alcohol. That's all for today. We are going to soak the logs in 100 days. Now I post videos of miru shiitake every day. If you are curious, please subscribe and leave a like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.